Today we're going to be simplifying rational expressions. Our first example is to evaluate y minus 4 divided by 3y plus 2 when y equals 7. We simply substitute 7 in for y, and when we do the math, we get 3/23. On part B, we're asked to put y equals -6 in, and we simply substitute -6 in for y, and we find that that's a -10 over -16, which if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by -2, we get 5/8. Find where the expression is undefined. When they ask us to do that, we always look at the denominator and find where it goes to 0 because we cannot divide by 0. So if x were a -1, this would go to 0. So we are looking where it's undefined, so it would be undefined at x equals a -1. On the second example, we're again looking at the denominator, but there is not a variable in the denominator, so m can be all reals because nothing in that denominator will make that go to 0. The next example, we're simply simplifying, and so on the top we have 4y plus 4. We factor a 4 out, and the bottom we do the same thing. We factor a 3 out. The y plus 1's cancel, and we're left with 4/3. The next example is x squared plus 7x plus 12, which factors quite nicely into x plus 4 times x plus 3. And on the denominator, we factor a 2 out, and we have 2 times x plus 4. So the x plus 4's cancel out, and we are left with x plus 3 divided by 2. The next example, in the denominator, we have y squared minus 49, which factors into y minus 7 times y plus 7. We cancel our y minus 7's out, and remember, when we do that, it is 1. So 1 for our numerator, and 1 times y plus 7, which is simply y plus 7. So the answer is 1 divided by y plus 7.